In this video, I will show you how to add Facebook Messenger to your Wix website quickly and easily. So your customers can come in here, they can open up this Facebook Messenger widget and click chat on Facebook. And they will be taken over to Facebook Messenger where they can go ahead and drop you a message. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. Now, from here, once we are signed up to Elfsight, what we want to do is just come to this search widgets bar at the top, and we can click into this, and we want to type in Facebook into here. Now, the one that we are looking for is the Facebook chat right here. This is called Facebook chat, even though the actual thing is Facebook Messenger. So we can go ahead and click into the Facebook chat. And in here, it's now going to ask us to choose from one of these templates. Now, it says that these templates are for different things, like this one is for sales and this one is for booking. They all basically do the same thing. They just have different text and different colors, but we can fully customize this. So just select the top one right here and then click continue with this template. And in here, the first thing that we need to do is, of course, connect to our Facebook. That's going to allow people to message us. So we want to click connect to Facebook, and it opens up Facebook right here. So we can click on continue or log in if you aren't logged into Facebook yet. And just like that, we are now connected to Facebook. We can also go ahead and choose the page that we would like to link if we have multiple, but that's now all set up. And we can even test out if this is working by clicking on this button. And just like that, we are taken over to Facebook Messenger. So this is good to go. We can then go down to the content area, and this is where we can start customizing the widget as a whole. So the first thing is this bubble icon. You can go in and you can choose from library and choose a different one, but this is the Facebook Messenger icon, so we want this. We can add some bubble text in here if we would like to say Facebook Messenger or something like this. You get the idea. You can type something in there if you would like to. And then we have the chat window. So this is the chat window. So we can choose if we want to show information from the Facebook page or if we want to fully customize this ourselves with a different image and name. We can then go down to the caption. So we have a few different options for this caption right here. Firstly, we can choose from one of these reply times. We can choose if this just says online, or we can customize and write out our own message. I'm just going to say typically replies within an hour. We can also customize the first welcome message that's going to be shown in here. We can choose what this button is going to say and if we want to show the icon. Next, we can come down to settings, and in here we can change things like the position and where this is going to show up on the website. If this is a floating bubble, so this means as we scroll, it will follow us around. If this is embedded into the site, or if the chat is embedded into a certain section. We can then go to the chat display settings and choose what pages this is displayed on, what devices this is displayed on, which visitors this is displayed to. You get the idea. We can choose what triggers are going to open the chat. We can choose if we want this notification badge on right here, which is just this little yellow dot, red dot, sorry. Yellow is crazy. And then finally, we can go into the appearance, and in here we can customize the font. We can play around with all of the colors, like the bubble background color, the bubble icon color, all of these different things. We can even take away the bubble animation if we would like to. And once you have this all set up and we are ready to add this to our Wix website, all we have to do is click on this publish button up here. And then Elfsight will take us through to this screen where we can now choose a plan. Now, the plan that I recommend getting started with is this free plan right here, as this will allow us to add this to our website and get everything set up for free. And then later down the line, if you want to go ahead and upgrade, if you want access to more of Elfsight's widget or more monthly views, you can go ahead and get one of these plans later. But for now, we just want to select the free plan. And once that is selected, we are going to be given this piece of code that we can use to add the Facebook chat to our Wix website. So to do this, we just click on copy code and then we can go over to the Wix editor. And inside of here, what we want to do is click on this plus icon. And then the element that we want to add is under embed code, and it's this one right here, embed HTML. So we add this in, and then all we need to do now is click into this box and paste in the code that we just copied. We can then click on update, and the Facebook icon is now going to appear in this box. So what we can do is we can just drag this into the bottom right corner, just like this. Then we want to expand this box on both sides. So we just drag this up here, and then we can drag this out just to make sure that we have enough room for the actual box to pop up here. So once we have this, the last thing that we want to do is right click and click on pin to screen. And this is all now set up. So the reason that we pin this to screen is so that this now follows us around as we scroll. So just to test this out, we can go to preview right here and we can open this up. And that is how you can add a Facebook chat to your Wix website.